How to fix automatic repair could not repair your PC in Windows 10 or 11. So to fix the automatic repair could not repair your PC, first thing you can do is to disconnect external devices. Remove USB drives, external HDDs, printers, and etc. Restart your PC to rule out hardware conflicts. Now after that, go ahead and rebuild boot configuration data. So boot into Windows recovery environment, and then from here, go ahead and open command prompt. So search for CMD, and then click on run as administrator, and then click on yes on the pop-up. And then from here, go ahead and run boot rec slash fix mbr. Boot rec slash fix mbr. And then after that, go ahead and enter bootrec fix boot, bootrec scan OS, and bootrec rebuild BCD. Restart and check if window boots. And then go ahead and run SFC. So enter SFC slash scan now, and then hit on enter. This repair corrupted system files and restore Windows image. And that is how you can basically fix automatic repair could not repair your PC in Windows.